I made video but only one I can upload. First issue is it's not making bubbles in bubble wash mode. Second, it's not easy to move, still no bubbles after 2 weeks, still working same. Making too much noise and not sure why no bubbles while washing. Amazing washing machine, I received it yesterday. No fault. Fantastic washing machine and service. It is soundless and does the work perfectly. Amazon delivered it on time and installation was done on same day by Samsung representative. Only problem is with time of washing. Most of the cases it takes more than 2 hours, especially in cotton mode, it takes 3 hours. They should work on it and reduce the timing. Otherwise, good product by Samsung. Received today in the afternoon and delivery was perfect and it is looking really smart and this is a gift to my mom. And thank you Samsung for providing at a reasonable price and my family is happy with the product functioning. But installation process took 1 week after delivery, so I am giving. This product is not working is what I thought at the first sight. No sound, no movement. I had to shed light inside the tub to see it rotating. Absolutely good one. Very good quality washing. I think it's value for money. First of all, too easy to use. Zero noise. Easy to handle. Better service than other companies. Awesome product, good one. Really an awesome product when compared to other brands, the price tag, and it's really smart. We can adjust the settings to our requirements. It's really great. I suggest just buy it, don't compare, it's definitely different. Good product. User friendly and washing quality is quite satisfactory. Latest machine, very simple to operate with multiple wash program, also consumes very little amount of water. Excellent demo by local Samsung service center, arranged by Amazon, timely delivery in perfect condition. Latest product with September 2018 import date. Good product, 3-year warranty and 10-year warranty on motor. What more do you want? Keeping all 5 stars, really awesome. Offer price was like a hack when compared with others in same capacity machines. Had a good experience with this purchase and satisfied with its laundry performance. Got delivered on time, was a helpful delivery. Easily accessible and a nice looking machine. EcoBoo. Samsung is a trustworthy brand, so I didn't hesitate to buy this machine. Even the product reviews and ratings was empty on Amazon. I will constantly edit my review. These all are pros. Cons coming soon. No noise is all what I like. Value for money. Got it around 28k under Great Indian Festival. Needed an exchange for my old IFB, and I must say Amazon gave a really good deal. Coming to the washing machine, and keep in mind that never go for IFB or Boss. Reason, if you get the motherboard issue or a motor issue, they charge you hefty amount and you will never get its spares in local market, which is very good for delicate clothes. The modes you get here are quite interesting and make sense. The accessories are of high quality and had to purchase stand from the technician. He charged 1300 for it. Machine cover, bought it from Amazon. Classic front load washing machine cover for 400. Super silent operation and touch control. You don't need to use descaling packets for scaling issues like in IFB. Only drum wash does the trick. Installation was done by Samsung technician within 72 working hours and the guy was very experienced and gave a fantastic demo. Overall 5 on 5 for this. The machine is very good. It was so noiseless and particularly the wash quality is awesome and the clothes after washing is so smooth. I think it's because of EcoBubble technology. Finally, the machine is worth more for the money spent. Go for it without hesitation. Complete value for money. Superb, just got it installed and it's just non-existent, horribly silent. Got it for 26,400 in sale and delivered on time. Thank you Amazon for another addition to my home. Yet to see the washing quality, but it's a steal at this price. With EcoBubble tech which works good. All are excellent. Click link in description for more reviews.